The formation of village development committees is an outcome of the Act Against Climate Change Today coalition aimed at restoration of the Western Area National Park. Selected teams from 10 of the Western Area communities recently met at separate locations in Grafton and Tombo to share perceptions on the impact of climate change on their localities. This also provided an opportunity to express their concerns over their access and control of community natural resources such as land and water, and the undue external influences over these communities for these same resources. The village development committees also progressed their knowledge about community-based climate change adaptation, sustainable natural resource management, and forest protection through community-based forest management. In this latest bid, undertaken by the NGO Green Scenery and various CSO partners to restore the Western Area National Park, supported by Trocare.